Hello everyone. So today in this video we'll see how do we reset or change the Windows login password. So you have it can be your personal computer desktop, or you can be your office laptop, or you can be a personal laptop. So we'll see what are the different ways we can change the login password. If you don't have, and also we'll see how do we remove the password if we have one assigned. Okay, let's get started. So first in the search option, so just search for password and you can see change your password, right? Just click on that and you'll see this particular window gets appeared, and you can see the option as sign in options. So here if you look at this particular box, this is called as a password. So just click on change and it will ask for the current password. I can just enter the current password. Just click on next, and you can enter the new password that you wanted to add it. Okay, so then I'll be entering this, and if you want to give some password hint, you can just give some hint and just click on next. So you can select it and just click on finish, and see now your password has changed, right? So this is how you will be changing the password. And the another option that you can add is, so you can hold on control plus alt plus del, control alt del. So when you hold all these three keys together from the keyboard, it appears one window, so where you can click on change a password. So in the change a password window, so you can change by resetting the old password and a new password. So this is the another way to change the Windows password. And with the Windows 10, if you are using a Windows 10 computer, so you can also add pin to your password. So this is also a 4-digit pin. So but before that, so it is asking me what is the Windows login password. So now I can set the 4 digits or 6-digit pin. Okay, let me set this and click OK. So now either when I log in, I can log in with a pin or a password. So when you lock your computer, at the locking option, so it will be asking you the sign in option. So whether you wanted to log in with the password or a pin, so anyway it will work. So either you can use a pin or a password. And if you want to remove this pin, just click on remove and click on remove. So again it will ask for the password what I have given. Just click on OK. Now you can see the Windows pin has been removed. Okay, so this is how we update change or reset your password. And here also you have sign in option. When PC wakes up from sleep or never, when do you need this sign in? So for suppose you are working for a longer time, and then if you say never, it will say if you have been require sign in. If you say never, so it will not not ask you to sign in. Okay, and if you ask like when PC wakes up from sleep or anything, so just you can select any of the options here. Okay, so this is how we reset the password. Okay, and here you can see some message here: don't forget your password, make a note of your password in a safe secure location where you can find it in case of ever forget. This way for local accounts you won't get locked out of your PC. So always make sure the password is strong. If your computer is used by multiple people, if it is your personal use, it depends on you. But even though if it is a laptop and if you're carrying it outside, right, so you should be very cautious and make use of standard. It's alphabets, numerics, and special characters. You can use it and do it. Okay, thank you so much.